Good morning. Good morning to all. Here, today, in this video, I have discussed combinatorics. What is combination? What is the meaning of the combination? What are the relations and properties? What are the relations and properties? We have to learn from combinations. Relations also I have discussed, and some properties I have discussed. With regard to it, I have discussed the previous questions on combinatorics. The questions in JEE mains are in different style. Actually, if we understand the question, the fundamental principle or the definition of it or the basic of it is there as the solution, but the question style is different. They are made differently with big narration. By seeing that very descriptive, more description given in the question, the student may be confounded. By seeing it only, he will be confounded. But its solution is very simple, based on the basic. That is why I used to say, don't be sick of basics. Don't be sick of basics. You have to go through the textbook. You must be aware of basics, fundamentals. If there is NCR, what is NCR? You have to know. There are n dissimilar things taken or at a time. NCR, the meaning of NCR is nothing but the number of subsets whose number of elements are R, taking or choosing from n elements and different and dissimilar elements. Like that, the meaning, the definition, the narration of it, the explanation about it, you have to go through the textbook. That is why I say, don't be sick of basics. Some questions very amazing. Only on NCR only the question is given. But by seeing the question, big, large description, the student is confused. There are 3 boxes. Each box contains 10 balls, labeled 1 to 10. Select one ball at random. You have to follow the condition N1 less than, N2 less than, N3. What all this? By reading, by going through all this description, naturally the student is confused. Something is there, some way we have to do, he will think otherwise. Naturally he is deviated to other road or route. He cannot solve it. It is nothing but NCR. Like there are so many questions. Selections of the group, selections of the team, under some conditions. Conditions you have to follow. Mr. X is there, his wife Y is there. Mr. X has 7 friends, Y has 7 friends. X has 4 ladies and 3 gents. Y means X's wife has 7 friends, 4 gents and 3 ladies. X has 4 ladies and 3 gents. So they are inviting 6 people for the dinner on the condition that 3 friends, at least 3 friends of each X and Y should be there in the invitees. Like this, some questions are there. Only depending on the basics, the fundamentals that you have to learn. These things only, all these questions, the types of questions you have to know, what type of questions are given. Finally, what is the solution? Solution is very simple. Question very large, descriptive. By going through and by reading the question, it takes 1 minute, 2 minutes, and giving some confusion in it. And the description of the question is deviating or diverting the roots or the roots of your solutions. These things are very, very important. So, to overcome all these, to conquer over all these doubts, you must be always in touch with textbook. It is very important. Since beginning itself, I have been telling the same. Please don't be the sick of basics. This is my caption. This is my saying. Don't be sick of basics. Please do what I say and do what I say, and at the same time, to get update videos, you have to follow, you have to share, you have to subscribe, you have to click the bell icon to get more updates of my videos. After 1 or 2 classes of combinatorics, I will start integration, definite integration. Please follow carefully. If necessary, please go through my notes 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. 3 watches you make, no problem. These are very important model questions I have discussed. But these are not sufficient. For your practice, you have to do more questions from your NCERT textbook. That since beginning, I have been telling the same. Anyhow, don't be sick of basics. Always in touch with textbook. Okay? And always to get my updates of videos, always share, subscribe, and pass on this to all of your friends. Thank you very much. Please follow this. Thank you. My dear students, combinations. The number of combinations of and dissimilar things taken or at a time is denoted by NCR or C of NR or NR. Please observe these three types of representations you have to understand. NCR, C of NR, NR like this. Any one of the three representations can be expressed in the question papers. You have to observe this. This is for the number of combinations of n dissimilar things, not similar, dissimilar means different things taken or things at a time. And it is equal to the number of, then this is, what is NCR equal to? NCR equal to the number of subsets. Number of subsets with R elements of set containing n elements. This is nothing but the number of subsets. NCR is nothing but the number of subsets with R elements of set containing n elements. Okay. Some properties and relations. NCR equals to NPR by R factorial. NPR is n factorial by n minus R factorial. By R factorial, so this is R factorial again in denominator. It is called NCR. NCR equals to n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. NPR means only this one, n factorial by n minus R factorial. The relation between NCR and NPR is NPR equals to R factorial into NCR equals to NPR. If you do cross multiplication like this, R factorial into NCR equals to NPR. So NPR is permutations. This is regarding order, regarding arrangement. So that is why R factorial into NCR. NCR means this is lesser than this because this is only selections, number of selections. This is NPR means number of selections, taking number of selections and making arrangements. Taking number of selections and making arrangements is NPR. So this is more in number. That is why R factorial into NCR. You have to observe this formula. N and R integers with 0 less than or equals to or less than or equal to n. Like this, R and n integers should be related. NCR equals to NC n minus R. This is very popular and very frequently applicable. NCR equals to NC n minus R. NCN equals to NC n minus n, 0. So NCN equals to 1, NC0 equals to 1. Still more, for every 0 less than or equal to R, S less than or equal to N, if NCR equals to NC yes, then either R equal to S or r plus s equals to n, that is either s equal to r or s equals to n minus r. This you have to observe and remember. This is one property. Next, if 1 less than or equals to or less than or equal to n, if 1 less than or equal to or less than or equal to n, if the relation between r and n is like this, then NCR minus 1 plus NCR equals to n plus 1 CR. This is one theorem, but this is the theoretical principle. This principle is very often, frequently used for doing the sums and making shortcuts. For this will be useful. NCR minus 1 plus NCR equals to n plus 1 CR. 7C6 plus 7, suppose 7C5, I will write like this. 7C5 plus 7C4 equals to how much? N plus 1. 7 plus 1 how much? 8C R. R means 5. You can write like this. So 7C4 plus 7C5 equals to 8C5. There are some other properties and relations there remaining. We will continue the rest of them in the next video class. Now we are turning into the previous JEE main questions. Out of them, the excellent question is, consider this is one JEE mains question in 2019. This is the question prepared by one professor explaining the meaning of NCR. I am telling you directly the solution of this question. I am telling you directly the solution of this question. The sense of this question is the application of NCR. NCR is, just before this I have told you, just before, n dissimilar things taken R at a time, the number of subsets containing the elements R elements out of n dissimilar things, out of n dissimilar elements. Number of subsets of R elements taken R at a time. 5C3 means 5 dissimilar numbers are there, suppose, or letters are there. A, B, C, D, E, 5 letters. 5C3 means out of 5 letters, we have to select 3 letters, any 3 letters, taken 3 at a time, Then what is the meaning of that 5C3? We are taking the subsets of 3 letters. ABC, ABD, ABE, BCD, like that. For example, just I am telling you. So, what are these? These are the subsets containing 3 letters, selecting out of 5 letters. The number of subsets taking 3 letters out of 5 letters given is nothing but 5C3. Just before this question, we have discussed. Here, the professor prepared this question very nicely, describing so much, giving so many things. What for it is? The main thing is the sense or the meaning of NCR only is telling. So, if the student comes to know this is the meaning, total description of this question, the question is nothing but the description for the sense of NCR. If the student comes to know that point, he can easily immediately answer within below 1 minute he can answer it. But 90% students cannot come to the conclusion that this is the meaning of NCR. Such a way that this question has been prepared. This is the style of preparation for JEE mains. Consider 3 boxes, each containing 10 balls labeled 1, 2, 3, so on 10. Suppose one ball is randomly drawn from each of the boxes. Denote by NI the label of the ball drawn from the ith box. I equals to 1, 2, 3 because 3 boxes only from the ith box. Denote by NI. NI means the label of the ball. N means first of all N equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 1. Maybe any number that is N. I is given at the feet of Ni. What is I? 1, 2, 3. This is representing box. Okay. Here, then the number of ways in which the balls can be chosen such that N1 means what? First box ball number less than second box ball number less than third box ball number should be like this. Suppose from the first box 2 has come and from the second box 4 has come, and third box 5 has come. 2 less than 4 less than 5. Like that it should be coming. Not 2, 2, 4, 1, 1, 3. Not like that. Such cases we won't take. Such cases we won't take. Here, n1 less than, n2 less than, n3. So, all these things given in this description is nothing but 10C3. 10C3, meaning of 10C3 only he is explaining. Consider 3 boxes, each containing 10 balls labeled 1, 2, 3, so on 10. Suppose one ball is randomly drawn from each of the boxes. One ball is taken, might have got 2. From the first box, 2, n means 2, 2i means 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, 1 means what? First box. I 1, 2, 3, no. 2, 1 means first box. 2, 1 means first box. 2 is, the ball number is 2 in the first box. That is n1. In the second box, n. 3 if you get. In the third box, n. If you get 7, 2, 3, 7. 2 less than, 3 less than 7. Like that it should be coming. So what is the meaning of it? Only balls, 10 balls are there. On 10 balls labeled with numbers 1 to 10. So that should be under this condition. Then what is the meaning of it? So it is the meaning that out of 10 dissimilar balls, out of 10 different things, taking three things at a time, that is the meaning of it. And 10C3. Or otherwise, all the subsets, number of subsets out of 10 numbers, 1 to 10, prepare number of subsets with 3 numbers in every set. Number of subsets with 3 numbers in every set, taking the numbers from 1 to 10. Provided the condition is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, or 5, 6, 8. Like that only it should be. That is n1 less than, n2 less than, n3. Then what is the meaning? Number of subsets taken 3 at a time out of 10 different dissimilar numbers. That is, answer is 10C3. You see here, the meaning of NCR is the application herein. 10C3 is 120. I have described like this. Given 3 boxes, each containing 10 balls, labeled 1, 2, 3, 10, one ball is randomly drawn from each boxes. Then the number of ways in which the balls can be chosen such that n1 less than, n2 less than, n3 is same as selection of 3 different numbers from numbers, 3 different numbers from numbers, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the meaning because of this. That is 120. Once I told 10C3 means backwards natural numbers 10, 9, 8 because this is 3, no. 3 times 10, 3 factors. 3 factors. 10, 9, 8 backwards by 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. That is easy counting 120. Try to understand this. So for JEE mains question is giving importance for the basics, the definitions, fundamentals, whether student is aware of or not. They focus on it. But as given in IPE textbook or as an IPE question or 12th class question, the question is never be given, but differently given. But the solution is definition only, fundamental only. But the question is different style it is given. This is one and more example for this. Let's go to the next question. There are M men and 2 women participating in a chess tournament. Each participant plays 2 games with every other participant. If the number of games played by the men between themselves exceeds the number of games played between the men and the women by 84, then the value of M is. So, 12th class question is direct question. But this JEE mains question is one unknown is there, that is M men. There are M men with unknown M is there. You are asked to find the value of M. That is the difference in this question. Differently it is given. But actually 12th class question only. But with a slight difference or a just twist, a just turning in the question style. You try to observe why I am telling all these things. If M is given, and that will be direct question, most of the people can do it. If M is given, most of the students will be confused and worried to find M. That is their psychological mental tension. Something they will be worrying. M will be something a big ghost. It is given like that, how to find it? They feel so. There are M men and 2 women participating in a chess tournament. Each participant plays 2 games with every other participant. This is the general information. Okay, general details. If the number of games, now problem starts. If the number of games played by the men between themselves, now you see, number of games played M between men, MC2. MC2 means M men number of men, MC2, why? We are taking two people, two participants for the play of chess. No, for the chess tournament. Chess tournament only? Oh, for this tournament, no. So here, two people must be there. No, we have to select two people. We have to write the number of subsets taken two at a time. Just we have learned MC2. But how many games they have to play? 2 games, 2 into MC2. This is the number of games played by the men between themselves, equals to 2 into MC2. And the number of games played between the men and the women. So, from men, one man, MC1, into from 2 women, 1 woman, we have selected. So, one participants, they have to play MC1 into 2C1, but 2 games they have to play. 2 into like that. But what is the relation given for 2MC2 and 2MC1 into 2C1? What is the relation given? 84 times these men exceed 2 into MC2 exceeded 84 times. Means 2 into MC2 plus 84. 2MC1 into 2C1 plus 84 equals to 2MC2. That is the question. Question is here, the men between themselves exceeds the number of games played between the men and the women by 84. So I have written 2 into MC2 equals to 2 into MC1 into 2C1 plus 84. That's all. Over. Now from here, calculation part has come. The calculation part, if you have done like this, observe calculation part. I won't explain calculation, but observe my notes. M is 12. From 6 different novels and 3 different dictionaries, 4 novels and 1 dictionary are to be selected. Everybody knows how to do, and arranged in a row on a shelf, so that the dictionary is always in the middle. The number of such arrangements is, option is at least 1000. Here, from 6 different novels, 4 novels you have to select. 6C4, and 3 different dictionaries, 1 dictionary you will select. 3C1, okay. But after selection these 6C4 into 3C1, because selection of novels, selection of dictionary, 6C4 into 3C1. After this, into the number of arrangements. The arrangements, how it will be, 1 dictionary that you have selected one dictionary. No, that one dictionary should be in the middle on the shelf, and either side of that dictionary, two novels should be arranged. So how many places are there? 4 places are there. 4 places, 4 factorial ways you can arrange 4 novels. Because dictionary, we did not talk about dictionary because dictionary we keep in the middle. Dictionary we keep in the middle. We don't move it. That is 4 factorial. So what is the answer? 6C4 into 3C1 into 4 factorial. That's all. It is JEE mains question given, but luckily it was given in 2019 because it is very easy question. Naturally, this is 12th class question for more marks, 6 marks, 4 marks, like that. Okay. So now, given 6 different novels and 3 different dictionaries, number of ways of selecting 4 novels from 6 novels is 64. After counting 6, 5, 4, 3, 4 factorial 4, 3, 2 into 1, 15. Number of ways of selecting one dictionary is from 3 dictionaries is 3C1, that is 3. Total number of arrangement, how many books? 1 dictionary and 4 novels. So 1 dictionary we keep middle, so 4 novels, either side 2 novels, like this, 2 novels, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 novels we can arrange 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes in 4 boxes on the shelf. But dictionary is fixed. 1 dictionary we don't move. This one, this is dictionary. This is dictionary. So these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, these four in 4 factorial ways we can arrange. Any novel, first novel, second novel, third novel, fourth novel. Or fourth novel, second novel, first novel, third novel. However it is, novels, no restrictions for the novels. For the dictionary, restriction is there. That we have kept here without moving. And these 4 places, 4 factorial, 4 novels is 4 factorial ways of arrangement. So 15, 64, 3, 3C1, these 2 selections. This is arrangement into 4 factorial, 45 to 24, 1080. This is greater than or equal to 1000. That is the answer given. At least at least 1000. At least 1000 means here 1080 we got. 1080 we got, that is greater than or equals to 1000. So this is called at least 1000. A man X has 7 friends. 4 of them are ladies and 3 are men. X has 7 friends. 4 ladies, 3 gents. For X, 7 friends, 4 ladies and 3 gents. His wife Y, his wife, ex-wife Y, also has 7 friends, but in different reverse. 3 of them ladies, 4 gents. 3 of them ladies, 4 gents. Assume X and Y have no common friends. This is information. This is the information you are given. Now the problem starts. Then the total number of ways in which X and Y together can arrange a party. Then the total number of ways in which X and Y together can arrange a party, inviting 3 ladies and 3 men, so that 3 friends of each of X and Y. So 3 friends of X must be there, 3 friends of Y must be there, are in this party. They both invited 3 ladies, 3 men, 3 ladies, 3 gents, such that 3 friends of each of X and Y are in this party. So X 3 friends must be there and Y 3 friends must be there. Such a way you have to select 3 ladies and 3 gents for the party. I have given like this. X, 1 man, 7 friends, 3 gents, 4 ladies. Y, his wife, 7 friends, 4 gents, 3 ladies. I have given like this. First case, from X, 3 gents, no ladies. From Y, no gents, 3 ladies. So 3 gents, 3 ladies, they are inviting, and 3 friends of X and 3 friends of Y are there. Next, from X, 2 gents, 1 lady, and here 1 gent, 2 ladies from his wife Y. So here 3 friends from Y, 3 friends from X are there. And totally 2 gents, here 1 gent, 3 gents, 1 lady, 2 ladies, 3 ladies, 3 gents, 3 ladies, they have invited. They have invited 3 gents, 3 ladies. And X friends 3, Y friends 3 are there. Yes. You see, 2 gents, 1 lady, 3 friends of X. 2 gents, 1 lady, 3 friends of Y are also there. Like this, you have to maintain the invitation to the 3 gents, 3 ladies, and also 3 friends of X and 3 friends of Y should be there. Like that, you have to make selections. No gents, 3 ladies, here 3 gents, no ladies. So here 3 gents from his wife, 3 ladies from X. So at the same time, 3 friends of X, 3 friends of Y are also there. Like this, we have to make selections. First selection, second selection, third selection, fourth selection, counting it 1, 2, 3, 4 selections, 1 plus 144 plus 324 plus 16 equals to summing up 485. If all the words with or without meaning having 5 letters formed using the letters of the word small SMALL and arranged as in a dictionary, then the position of the word small is 58. The rank of the word small is 58. The rank of the word small is 58. When you arrange the letters of the word small in the order of dictionary, I have taken in the dictionary order, alphabetical order, first A, next L, next L, next M, next S. 5 letters. Number of words start with A. So 1, 2, 3, 4 remaining boxes. Start with A. How many? 4. L, L, M, S. 4 letters. 4 factorial by LL, identical letters by 2 factorial. 4 factorial by 2 factorial equals to 12. In 12 ways, there are 12 ways. Starting with A, words will be formed. So 12 words are formed starting with A. Next letter L. L I have taken. Start with L. 1, 2, 3, 4. L I have taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 factorial, 24. So 24 words can be formed with started with L. Next. After L, next L also there. So next L we need not take because one L is we have taken. Next coming to M. Number of words start with M. So 4. M if you take A, L, L, S. So here 4 factorial by 2 factorial 12. So starting with M there are 12 words. And now number of words start with S. Now we have to think of because our word is small. So in our word small, S is the first letter. So we want S. That is why I kept in this round. And if we get this letter for our expecting small, for our word small, we are getting first letter yes. That is why I have to go to A again. I have to go to the first letter again. A, I keep here. So how many boxes? 3 boxes. Yes, A. Yes, A. Yes, A. Here, number of words start with, this will be yes. After M, S has come. After M, S has come. But S is the first letter of the small required word. Our required word is small. The first letter is yes. So, yes, I keep here. Now, I will go again first. A, I keep here. So, yes, A. Yes, A. Then what will be there? LLM, 3 factorial by 2 factorial. 3 factorial by 2 factorial, 3. So, 3 words will be formed with yes, A in front. Next. Yes, I fix here. Because this is my first letter of the required word small. So, yes, I fix. After A, what will be there? L will be there. So, after A, L I kept. Yes, L. And then 3 factorial. 6 words will be there with SL. What is the next word? After L, S I fix. No, S I fix. After L, what is there? M is there. So, M I keep. These 2 fixed because these 2 letters, first letters of the required word small, these 2 letters I keep, I fix. Now I go to again the first place A, so I keep A. Now 3 letters I want in the word, required word small. Again after A, L I will take. After L, L I will take. So small is the required word. That word is one way only, 1. Total here 12, 24, 12, 3, 6, 1, 58. The rank of small rank 58. It means small is the 58th word when you write in dictionary order and take all the words, small is the 58th word. Otherwise, 58 is the rank of the small. When you write the letters S, M, A, L, L, L in the order of dictionary. Let A and B be 2 sets containing 4 and 2 elements respectively. 4 elements set A, 2 elements set B, then the number of subsets of the set A cross B. Automatically we can say 4 elements, 2 elements, set A, set B. So A cross B, 8 elements, 4 twos, 8 elements, each having at least 3, each having at least 3 elements, each having at least 3 elements, or each having at least 3 elements, each having at least 3 elements. So then the number of subsets of the set A cross B, each having at least 3 elements, are N of A4, N of B2, N of A cross B8, total number of subsets of set A cross B equal 2 power 8. This is the formula 2 power n. This is the number of total subsets of A cross B is 2 power 8. To obtain each having at least 3 elements. At least 3 elements means 4 elements, 5 elements, 3 elements, 3 elements, 4 elements, 5 elements, 6 elements. Such a way, we have to take 3 element subset, 4 element subset we will take. Okay, so we have to subtract number of subsets of A cross B having no element 1, because that is 5. 5 is also one subset. Here, number of subsets A cross B having one element, 8C1. 8 no A cross B, elements 8 no. So, one letter subsets it. And number of subsets of A cross B having 2 element subsets, 28. So 28, 8, 36, 1, 37. So you will subtract 37 from total 2 power 8. That is 256 minus 37 equals 219. 219 is the number of subsets of A cross B, each having at least 3 elements. Thank you. Let us meet in another video. Let us meet in another video. Observe, again I am showing. Two power 8 is number of subsets. Subsets having at least 3 elements means 1 element, 5 is one subset we have to subtract. 1 element subsets we have to subtract. 2 element subsets we have to subtract. And 3 element subsets, at least from 3 element subsets, we get all subsets, that is 2 power 8 minus 37 equals 219. Thank you.